5 weeks?
5 weeks up here.
5 weeks.
Yeah.
And grandma?
3 months pregnant.
3 months pregnant.
3 months pregnant.
Stomach's down.
6 months to go.
6 more months. A boy. There's Cindy showing off the dresses.
It's pretty.
Yeah. Nice to see you.
And there's
I tried to look nice.
Johnny. Serena. She's in a bad mood today. Only joking. Let me see, smile. Okay, what do you got there in your hands? Of course, it's Vegas. Not ours, Aunt Nancy's house.
I said, I used to work for Mountainside. He said, so maybe it's going, you know.
Hey, Nancy. Hey, Nancy.
Mountainside, Norton, home, hello.
Hey, you feeling alright?
How you doing?
Feeling alright?
Yes, let's leave tonight.
Okay, let's look at his plans here. What do we got going on?
He said, let's say, I tried to talk to Anthony.
Jimsy. Danielle. Say hi. Hey. Back from Florida. Playing a little baseball. Aunt Marie relaxing. What's that, Aunt Marie? Trucks? Evan. 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 Say hi. Hi.
That's Evan's best friend. That's Evan's best friend.
Let's see what we got here. There's some toys. Hidden treasure of time.
The vastness of space.
Can't see up there. It won't allow you. Closet of time. Johnny inside. First person I see.
I picked the...
Johnny, you're eating it.
That's right.
You're eating it.
That's weight.
No, it's just...
Jimsy. Hey, what are you, a dog?
Little ones.
Come on, Danielle, get him. Beat him up.
Here. Here.
Johnny's scared, he's running. Oh, right down. Little jujitsu.
Get you!
There it is.
Pretty cool.
Eh, goodbye.
Come here, John. Come on, me.
Big one. Big one.
I don't want to go slow, so I always get everyone sick.
Oh, yeah.
Easy, that is good.
John's probably, I should build beat him easily. Never know. John has some skills that are focused too.
I hate when he goes like that.
Who, Anthony?
No.
That looks like Anna's losing.
I like doing that. I like doing that.
I'm gonna get you.
I couldn't get the action from my view. So,
So this is a bubble. Try to swallow.
it tastes good.
John's tough there. Held in there for good. Next match, 10 minutes. Whew, a little winded here. Summer of '96. Last summer in New York. Yeah,
Yep.
rough.
Evan.
Danielle punched me in the
I know what you're doing. Hey, baby. Watch your chin there, kiddo.
I'm not gonna get you anymore.
It's mine.
Yeah. No. Because you might hit me again.
Get on video.
Wow, I almost fell. Someone's peeking at that door.
Ready? What did he do to you? John, sorry, but rest. Go and drink water. You're red. Look at John's face. A little
I get ready.
See ya? Your eyes
It
are
doesn't
all
hurt.
tired. Maybe like this, ready?
Close-ups of everybody.
There you go. Evan, what are you doing? What do you get?
What do you say? Play Barbie dolls?
Apple.
Oh, I could have sworn.
It's a baby apple. You don't need that. Yeah, let me see it.
Hey!
Get him.
Hey!
Get him, Evan. Get him. Go get him. Go hit him. Go punch him. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Hey!
Would have been good to send the America's Funniest Home Videos if you ran over and hit his head from behind.
Where did you put it?
Johnny, it's one again. That was good.
Hey!
Good quality
Where did
plum.
you put it?
I've heard.